Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and I'm just about to take a trend profiteer trade. My alert has come up asking me whether I'd like to proceed with entering the trade. I'm going to click yes. There we go. Trade is entered. Stop loss is placed. We have our take profit also listed, but this is a trend following system, so we're going to ride this trade as long as we can. We've got full trade management built in, and we're going to have the stops moved and locking in profits throughout the life cycle of this trade. So this trade is on the Aussie, the AUD USD. It's on the 4-hour chart. My higher time frame analysis is telling me that it's overall up, particularly apart from the 4-hour upward trend and upward swing. We've got a daily upswing and a weekly uptrend and weekly upswing. All my other indicators are suggesting that this trade is going to rally, or this pair is going to rally. So what I'm going to do is pause the video for now and come back as soon as we have an update. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Cheers. Hey, it's about a day and a half since I took the trade. Went up, corrected halfway to my stop, but currently it's recovered. It's about 55 pips up in profit. My first target is at 60 pips, so just a few pips from that. So I'm in a good position now. I'm about to lock in profits. I'm going to keep an eye on this trade, keep a close eye on it. All the conditions are looking good. 4-hour trend and swing up, daily trend is down, but daily swing is up, and weekly trend and swing is up. My indicators are all telling me that this is still looking good. To the long side, RSI is up, MACD is up, stochastic is up, and of course, price is up. Another thing that I like is it's just taken a recent trend profiteer swing to the upside. So again, I'm going to really keep a close eye on this over the next few minutes and get back to you as soon as I have an update. Cheers. Okay, back, and just under 800 bucks in my account right now of open trades on a half lot position, 2 half lot positions. So really pleased with how things have gone. 45 pips locked in on position 1, 30 pips locked in on position 2. And right now, my trade management is in place to lock in further profits as if price moves upward, as I'm intending or hoping. Conditions are looking good, upward overall in nature. 5 out of the 6 high time frames are pointing up. All my indicators are up, so profits locked in. Life is good. I'm going to hang in there and get back as soon as I have another update. Okie dokie, back. First trade is complete. 293 bucks in the bank. Bit of consolidation took that first position out. However, great result with just over 290 bucks in the bank now, and my second position open. Currently sitting on 408 bucks. If I wanted to cash out right now, that's an equity to add to my trade that I've already taken out. Now, my trade management is in place. Whatever happens, I'm going to be looked after as far as that goes. Currently sitting about 65 pips up, 90 odd pips to the high. So there's a solid 30 pips there that we can see, and if it breaks through that recent high, then put your party hat on. It could push even higher. Overall, the conditions are upward. It has changed slightly. It's been a couple of days since I entered this trade. 4 out of the 6 high time frames are still saying that it's up, as well as my indicators, my RSI, my MACD, and my stochastic, and of course the price action itself, all pointing up, all looking good. It's a new bar, it's a new opportunity, it's a new day, and I'm feeling good. I'll get back to you as soon as I have another update. Okay, greetings. It's been a couple of bars since we since we last met. And take a look at this, 650 bucks in equity on my second position. I've taken advantage of another swing upward with some good banked pips and, of course, another target locked in. So conditions have changed yet again. It's all upward now. 4-hour, daily, and weekly, all upward. All my indicators are still pointing up. On the stochastic, perhaps a little overboard at this stage, and perhaps I should lock in some more profits on the second position. But I've already locked in profits and banked profits from my first position, just under 300 bucks. And now I'm, playing with the market's money. I'm trading with free money, so always a great feeling having profits locked in. And let's see where this trade takes us. I'll get back as soon as we have another update. Cheers. Okay, I'm back and searching for trades again. That's all she wrote. The market is always right. Mother market is always right. But great positive achievement around 680 bucks with two half lot positions. Great little trade. Did go against me at the beginning, still upward. So I will be continuing to look for upward opportunities for now. We could get a swing on this time frame. I may look at shifting down to shorter time frames and looking for an opportunity, but certainly for now, I'll look at waiting this correction to the downside out, and then I'm back in as soon as another opportunity comes up. If another opportunity comes up, if it continues to the downside, then all bets are off, and I'm playing the game to the short side. So I always trade the way the wind is blowing. And until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.